By the end of this lesson, you should be able to express quantities using prefixes, express quantities using scientific notation, when you go out at night, you can see the moon and the stars. There are some stars that can't be seen because they are too far away. Do you know how far the moon is from the Earth? Can you see microorganisms such as bacteria and viruses? Why? These microorganisms are very tiny and are not visible without the use of appropriate instruments. Do you know how small these microorganisms actually are? Look at the video. What is the height of the table? How thick is the coin? How far is the moon from the Earth? How small is a bacteria? We can write very big and very small values in an easier manner. To simplify, the very large and very small values can be written using prefixes. For example, the distance of the moon from the Earth can be written as 384 megameters, where megameter equals 10 to the power of 6 meters. Take note that the prefix used here is mega. A prefix is a multiplying factor used to present large or small values. The table shows the list of prefixes. Click on abbreviation and factor to get the answers. Now, let's look at another example. The size of a bacteria can be written as 4.2 micrometer, where micro equals 10 to the power of negative 6. Take note that the prefix used here is micro. Can you name some prefixes other than those we have discussed in the examples? How can we write the thickness of a coin of 0.00124 meters thick using the prefix? (0.00124 meters equals 1.24 millimeters, where 10 to the power of negative 3 equals milli. Therefore, 0.00124 meters is the same as 1.24 millimeters. Now, let's practice using prefixes. State the following values using prefixes. 0.000000456 meters equals 310 million meters per second equals 7,200,000,000 0.0000000000011 Newton equals 0.00435 grams equals Is there another way to write small and large values other than using prefixes? The distance of the moon from the Earth equals 384 million meters. 384 million meters can also be written as 3.84 times 10 to the power of 8 meters. Numbers written in this manner are known as numbers in scientific notation. All numbers can be written in scientific notation, that is, a times 10 to the power of n, where a is equal or greater than 1 and less than 10. N is an integer. Let's look at a few examples. Write the value of wavelength of red light in scientific notation. 0.000000644 meters equals 6.44 times 10 to the power of negative 7 meters. Notice that the decimal point moves 7 spaces to the right and the power of 10 is negative 7. Microwaves with a frequency of about 30 million Hz is used in telecommunications. Write this in scientific notation. 30 million Hz in scientific notation is 3.0 times 10 to the power of 7 Hz.
Complete the table. Complete the table.